Here's the purple stem Angelica with a little angel fluttering on top of it. Bye now. Oh, isn't that just the biggest swallowtail? Yeah, I just think so interesting looking. And I thought this was something else, just not in bloom, but I was wrong. So I found a new app that is telling me what these beautiful things are. And I will put that in the description for you. My girlfriend turned me on to it, and it's the most wonderful thing. It tells you what everything is. Oh, look, we have something over here. I'll have to look it up. And I will do a new video. Bye now.